Welcome back to the podcast, my friends. Today we're talking about something truly life-changing, networking in English. Now, when you hear the word networking, you might imagine business suits or big events or maybe even some complicated conversations. But networking is really just about one thing: making connections. It's about meeting people, creating friendships or bonds, and opening doors to opportunities. Doing it in English multiplies those opportunities worldwide. Think of every new person you meet as a new door. Some doors lead to jobs, some to friendships, some to ideas that can change your life. Networking is the key that opens those doors. And if you can do it in English, you have access not just to one country, but to the whole world. Most learners worry, well, what if I make mistakes? Let me tell you something. People don't remember your grammar. They remember your energy. They remember if you smiled, if you listened, if you showed interest. Confidence is more important than perfect English. Don't aim for perfect English. Aim for real connection. That's what people value. Here are some easy starters you can use. You can start by saying, "Hi, I'm Lydia. Nice to meet you." Then you can ask, "So what brings you here today?" If you want to show someone that you're actually interested, you can say, "That's really interesting. How did you start with that?" If you want to try to build a connection, you can say, "I'd love to stay in touch. Do you use LinkedIn or WhatsApp?" And then to kind of close out your conversation, you could say something like, "It was great talking to you. Let's connect again soon." Write these down, practice them, and keep them ready in your pocket. Networking isn't just about speaking. It's about listening as well. People feel valued when you repeat something they said. For example, if they say, "I'm starting a project in health tech," you could say, "A project in health tech? That sounds amazing. What's your role in it?" It's simple, but it is powerful because you repeating that back lets them know that you're actually listening. If someone asks, "What do you do?" don't give a short answer. Instead, give a mini story. Here's an example of a bad answer. "I study English." A better answer could be, "I study English because I want to connect with people from around the world and work internationally." The second answer sparks curiosity. They'll ask more, and suddenly you're in real conversation instead of an awkward halt. Networking in English isn't just language practice, it's personal growth. You learn how to overcome fear, how to share your story, and how to expand your comfort zone. Every time you talk to someone new, you grow more confident, not only as an English speaker, but as a person. Here's a simple routine you can try. Introduce yourself in English once a day, even if it's to yourself in the mirror. The practice is good. Message one new person online in English. It could be a simple, "Hello, I enjoyed your post." And then learn one new networking phrase per week. Small habits add up, and in 6 months, you'll be having natural conversations without fear. A student I know once attended a conference. He was shy, but he practiced one phrase. "Hi, I'm Joe. What brings you here? He repeated it at least 10 times that day. By the end of the event, he had 3 new contacts, one internship opportunity, and a new friend, all because of one simple sentence. So here's the lesson. Networking is not about being perfect. It's about being human. It's about saying hello, asking questions, and listening with curiosity. English is just the bridge that connects you to more people, more places, and gives you more opportunity. Next time you're in a meeting, a class, or even a cafe, don't hesitate. Smile, say hello, and let your English be the key to a new connection. Remember this, one conversation can change your life. It could be the friend you've been waiting for, the mentor who guides you, or the opportunity that opens a new future. And all it takes is a simple hello. So don't wait for confidence to magically appear. Create it. Start small. Practice your introduction today. Reach out to one person in English this week. That one step could begin a chain of opportunities you can't even imagine yet. Because networking isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to connect. If this feels like a good chat with a friend, tap like and subscribe so we can keep hanging out. And after this episode, introduce yourself in English to someone new, online or offline, or even in the comment section here. Share your story. Open the first door. Your future connections are waiting for you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I will see you in the next episode.